Namaste bachcho. Today I am going to start exercise 13 based on trigonometric identities. And the question is question number 2, second of question number 2 of your exercise 13. As we have already discussed some examples, and question number 1 is already based on it. So let us see question number 2, second question of question number 2. You have to prove that sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to 1. So LHS is sec square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. Now sec square theta minus 1 is an identity which is equal to tan square theta, and cosec square theta minus 1 is also equal to cot square theta. Now a square is there on both, so it will be tan theta into cot theta the whole square. And now tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, so it will be 1 square and equal to 1, and then RHS is equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now let us see another question. Now let us see question number 4, and the question is you have to prove that cosec theta into 1 plus cos theta is into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So LHS is cosec theta into 1 plus cos theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay. Now cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, we know that, and 1 plus cos theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay. Now let us multiply it. 1 by sin multiplied with 1 will be 1 by sin theta, and plus 1 by sin multiplied with 1 multiplied with cos will be cos theta upon sin theta, and cosec theta minus cot theta is there. Then 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta, we know that, and cos by sin is equal to cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. Now it is based on algebraic identity a plus b into a minus b, and a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so it will be a square, that is cosec square theta, and minus cot square theta, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is also an identity which is equal to 1, so it is equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now let us see question number 2 of 5. You have to prove that tan square theta minus 1 by cos square theta is equal to minus 1. So LHS is equal to tan square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta. Now it is tan square theta, and 1 upon cos is equal to sec, a square is there, so it will be sec square theta. Now we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, but here tan square theta minus sec square theta becomes, so let us take minus as common. Then minus will be changed into plus, that is sec square theta will become plus, and plus will be changed into minus, that is tan square theta will become negative Now sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and minus is outside of the bracket, and the value of this is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now let us see one question based on question number 6. Similarly, you can solve question number 6. Question is, you have to prove that 1 upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 upon 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 cosec square theta. So LHS is 1 upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 upon 1 minus cos theta. Now LCM of these two will be product of these two expression, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is the LCM. Okay, then 1 plus cos will be cancelled with 1 plus cos, then 1 minus cos will left here, so here will be 1 minus cos theta plus 1 minus cos will cancel with 1 minus cos, then 1 plus cos is left, and 1 plus cos when multiplied by 1, here will be 1 plus cos theta. Now cos theta plus and cos theta minus will be cancelled, then it will be 2 upon a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so it will be equal to 2 upon 1 minus cos square theta, and 2 multiplied by 1, here nothing is there, then 1 is if we multiply 2 by 1, then it will remains 2. So we can write it as 2 multiplied by 1 upon 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, and 1 by sin is equal to cosec, so 1 by sin square theta will be equal to cosec square theta, which is equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now let us see second question of question number 7. You have to prove that sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta is equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. So LHS is sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta. Okay, now it will be equal to sin theta 1 plus tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and plus cos theta into 1 plus cot is equal to cos by sin. Okay, now sin theta, and take the LCM of these two, one LCM of 1 and cos theta will be cos theta, then here we will have cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta, and here LCM of 1 and sin theta will be sin theta, then here we get sin into 1 sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, now sin theta plus cos theta is here, and sin theta plus cos theta is also here, so sin theta plus cos theta is common, then what will left here? Here sin theta will left by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta will left here in first term, and in second term cos theta in numerator and sin theta in denominator will left, because sin theta plus cos theta is common, so cos by sin will left here, cos theta by sin theta. Now take the LCM of these two, sin into cos will be LCM sin theta plus cos theta, and LCM of these two will be cos theta into sin theta. Now cos will cancel with cos, then sin will left, and sin multiplied by sin will be sin square theta, plus sin will cancel, this sin will cancel with this sin, then cos will left, and cos multiplied by cos will be cos square theta. Okay, now it will be sin theta plus cos theta Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. Now let us multiply it. Sin multiplied by 1 will be sin theta by cos into sin, and plus 1 multiplied by cos will be cos upon cos into sin. So sin will cancel with sin by 1 times and cos will cancel with cos by 1 times. Then we left with what will left here, 1 upon cos theta, and plus 1 upon sin theta will left here, and 1 upon cos is equal to sec theta, and 1 upon sin is equal to cosec theta, which is equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now let us see second question of question number 8. You have to prove that 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 plus sec theta is equal to sec theta. So LHS is 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 plus sec theta. Now tan square theta is equal to, there is an identity which is equal to tan square theta. So it will be tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 upon 1 plus sec theta, or sec theta plus 1 is there. Now we can take take a square on 1 here, because 1 square is also equal to 1, and there is already a square on sec square, so it becomes a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So here will be 1 plus a plus b sec theta plus 1, and a minus b, that is sec theta minus 1 upon sec theta plus 1 is there. Now sec theta plus 1 and sec theta plus 1 will be cancelled. Then here we get 1 plus sec theta and minus 1. The minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. Then it will be equal to sec theta, which is equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now let us see question number 9, which is, this is another question we have taken. You can solve question number 9, which is based on it. So let us see it. 1 plus cot square theta upon sec square theta is into tan theta is equal to, we have to prove that cot theta. Okay. So we have to prove it is equal to cot theta. Okay. Then let us take it as LHS. Suppose this is LHS left hand side. Now 1 plus cot square theta, we know that 1 plus cot square theta is an identity which is equal to cosec square theta into tan theta upon sec square theta. Now cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine. So cosec square theta will be 1 upon sine square theta, and tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta, and upon sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. So sec square will be equal to 1 upon cos square theta. So it will be equal to 1 upon sine square theta into sine theta upon cos theta, and into, now we have to multiply it, so it will be reciprocal of this fraction will be there, that is 1 upon cos square theta is there. So if we multiply, it will become cos square theta upon 1. Now this sine square theta will be cancelled by sine theta, and this cos square theta will be cancelled by cos theta in cos theta. Okay. So in numerator we have cos theta, and in denominator we have sine theta. Okay, and cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta, which is equal to RHS proved. Okay, now let us see question number 10 of exercise 13. Exercise 13 is going on. So you have to prove that tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1. So LHS, suppose this is LHS. Okay, we have to prove it is equal to 1. So tan square theta is here upon 1 plus tan square theta is an identity, which is equal to sec square theta, plus cot square theta is here upon 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So write it as cosec square theta. Now tan theta is equal to sine upon cos. So tan square theta will be equal to sine square theta upon cos square theta upon sec square theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos. So sec square will be equal to 1 upon cos square theta, and plus cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So cot square theta will be equal to cos square theta upon sin square theta. Okay, upon cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So cosec square will be equal to 1 upon sin square theta. Okay, now cos square will be cancelled, sin square will be cancelled. Then here sin square by 1, that is sin square theta will left, and cos square theta by 1, that is cos square theta will left. So it will be equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS proved. Okay, now let us see one question based on which question number 11 is based. You can solve it, the question number 11, based on it. We have taken another question here. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta is equal to 2 sec theta. We have to prove it. Okay, so LHS is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now take the LCM of 1 plus sin theta into cos theta will be LCM. Now 1 plus sin, this 1 plus sin will cancel with 1 plus sin. Then cos theta will left, and cos multiplied by cos will be equal to cos square theta, plus cos will cancel with cos, then 1 plus sin will left, 1 plus sin multiplied by 1 plus sin will be equal to 1 plus sin theta the whole square. Now cos square theta is here, plus this is based on identity a plus b the whole square. So it will be equal to 1 plus sin square theta a square plus b square plus 2a, 2 1 ja 2 into sin theta, that is 2 sin theta 2ab upon 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, then cos square theta and sin square theta will be together because there it is an identity, and then plus 1 and plus 2 sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, and 1 is already here, plus 2 sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. then it will be equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. Now 2 is common in both the terms, so take 2 as common, then here 1 will left and here 2 is common, so sine theta will left. Okay, upon 1 plus sine theta into cos theta is there in denominator. Now 1 plus sine theta and 1 plus sine theta will cancel by 1 times, so it will be 2 multiplied by 1 upon cos theta, and 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta, so it will be equal to 2 sec theta, which is equal to RHS proved. Okay.